Prominent, protruding. Some even call them bulging eyes, but bulging I think is a very depressing word. So Gaja, Gaja has prominent eyes, which typically have the most visible eyelid. So this part, you see, like if she closes, this is the eyelid that shows. So they protrude from the eye socket. They're not flat, they're not hidden in the back of the eye socket, but they're rather round. Let's put it this way. If you tried to do makeup, like if you tried to do cut crease on such eyes and you couldn't manage, you most probably have prominent eyes. Which side should we show? This one. Bye bye. You see? You should see now how the eye here protrudes. Their curved eyes here are rounder. If Gaja does her makeup, so smoky eyes for example, makeup really shows. So prominent protruding eyes are eyes where the makeup on the lid really shows. Though the best indicator, I think, is to check if the upper lid overlaps slightly the lower one. So when she opens the eye, you see how this lid here sticks on her lid. But don't think about eyes being hooded, almond shaped or whatever, because those are just features, okay? Now we're talking about the shape of the eye, which is brought forward. And because the eye is brought forward, when she opens it, it hits the upper lid. You'll see better from the side. This is what I meant. The upper lid overlaps the lower part of the lid. So, well, not the upper lid, but the upper part of the lid overlaps this part here. So it slightly covers it. And this is how prominent eyes look like. You shouldn't stress that much about your eye shape, because stuff's quite simple. Once again, don't think about, oh my god, my eye is hooded here, or are they lifted, are they downturned, or whatever. Just think about the shape. That's why we prepared a couple of eye shapes, so prominent eyes, that you'll be able to have a look at and see if they close, like similar to your eyes. So if they are, you have prominent eyes. Have a look. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.